Welcome to Chicagoland Speedway for the Camping World 400. It's a beautiful day for racing here in the Windy City. Let's take a look at your drivers to watch for. Chris Buescher starts on pole for today's race. He's looking to end a 22 race winless streak for car owner Jack Roush. Can he get that done today? Regular season champion Jimmie Johnson starting mid-pack. He's gonna have to charge his way to the front if he wants to get the points lead back. Alex Bowman currently 13th, below the cutoff. If he wrecks, then next week he'll possibly be in a must-win situation. And Brad Keselowski, last week's winner at Atlanta, theoretically locked in to the next round. Now, let's go trackside for the command.
Gentlemen, start your engine!
Cars fired up, and they are rolling off for 10 laps around Chicagoland Speedway. It looks like your starting lineup. On the pole is Chris Buescher, and to his outside is Joey Logano. Behind them, it's Martin Truex Jr. and Kyle Larson. Then we have Eric Almirola and Jimmie Johnson. Behind them, it's Alex Bowman and Ryan Newman. Then it's Austin Dillon and Brad Keselowski. Chase Elliott and Cole Custer. Behind them, Eric Jones and William Byron. Then we have Matt DiBenedetto and Clint Boyer. Then it's Bubba Wallace and Kevin Harvick. Towards the back, Ryan Blaney and Kurt Busch. And rounding out the field is Kyle Busch and Denny Hamlin. After this race, we'll have one race left in the round of 16. Here they come into turn 3. Pace car peels off. Green flag is in the air. We're racing at Chicagoland. Chris Buescher jumps out to a good lead over Joey Logano. Here comes Larson around the outside. We'll take third from Truex. Now Larson going around the inside of Logano. Now he'll try to work on taking the lead from Bowman. Oh, around goes Alex Bowman. Caution is out. Bowman into the inside wall, bringing out our first caution. Let's see what happened. Oh, just made slight contact with Logano. Bam. Into the inside wall. And now, Alex Bowman could be in danger of being eliminated from the playoffs. That's a tough break for him. He'll be out of the race. And Joey Logano actually got some damage in that, but he's not gonna come to pit road. He told his crew, it doesn't seem that bad. So he's gonna continue and not lose any track position. We're now ready to restart with 5 laps to go here at Chicagoland. Green flag is back out. Larson trying to go around the outside. Will take the lead from Buescher, but Buescher will come back on the inside. Buescher still in the lead. Larson is still trying to use the high lane. But Buescher holding that inside line. Look, now here comes Larson on the inside. But Buescher prevails around the outside. Larson gonna try to use the outside again. And Chris Buescher is gonna win at Chicagoland. Career win number 1. And while that happened, Joey Logano spun out at turn 3. That car just snapped around. Oh, you know what? It's probably from that contact he had with Alex Bowman under our first caution. That's probably what did it. He probably had a tire going down. Yeah, Logano told his crew. Left rear blew out. But anyway, Chris Buescher will celebrate his first career win in the Sprite Cup Series. Congratulations to Chris Buescher and McMahon for winning the Camping World 400. Here are your final results. Chris Buescher able to get the win here at Chicagoland. Kyle Larson coming home second for the second race in a row. Eric Almirola coming in third. Regular season champion Jimmy Johnson with a strong top 5. Denny Hamlin, strong top 10. And Alex Bowman, possibly in danger of missing the playoffs. And Joey Logano, or Alex Bowman in danger of being eliminated from the playoffs. And Joey Logano could also be in danger of being eliminated, as he was only 12th entering this race. And here are your point standings after today. Kyle Larson, with his second consecutive runner-up finish, snags the points lead, as Brad Keselowski falls down to third. Chris Buescher moves up to fourth. Jimmy Johnson just moves up one position. And Eric Jones makes his way into the top 12. As currently, Bubba Wallace, Joey Logano, Alex Bowman, and Ryan Blaney are all in danger of missing the playoffs. Or excuse me, being eliminated from the playoffs. I hope you enjoyed this race. That's it from me. Peace. Brandon Gomez in the booth, signing out.